Water is the basic necessity of life and it is used in varied forms in our houses. Is this water always pure? Have you ever wondered if the colorless liquid contains unseen impurities? Well, most of the time, we need not worry about this. If your society has the water system in place, there is a little need for worry. So why am I saying so? We can take a look at how the purification system is set up. The water enters from the reservoir into a tank called as the sedimentation tank. What happens in a sedimentation tank? The heavier particles which are mixed in water will settle to the bottom of the tank. Once this process is done, the water which is above is relatively cleaner and it will flow into the second tank. What is this tank called and what does it do? It is the loading tank. It takes care of the suspended impurities. So after the first two stages, the water is free of both undissolved impurities and this water will move through a filtration tank. The filtration tank has three distinct layers, namely a layer of fine sand, gravel and coarse gravel. Well, when water moves through these three different sizes of solid particles, it acts as a filter at three different levels. What does it allow? Only the molecules of water to pass through and all other impurities are left behind. Now the only impurities left would be the unseen bacteria. And to get rid of them, the water needs some chemical treatment. This treatment will kill the bacteria which are unseen and have escaped all the other processes. Thus, chemicals are added to the water in the last tank to kill the harmful bacteria, and after a long process of cleaning, water will enter the taps in our homes. It does seem like a long and tedious process. However, we will be ensured of clean and relatively pure water. These are simple everyday ways in which apparatuses are in place to clean substances around us. We use simple handy tools like a filter at homes in our kitchens. The simple methods of washing are also at work. We have one last method of separation. It is called as crystallization and we will study it in detail in our next video.